This isn't even that muddy though, Pops.
Jonathan wants to go through some water, so we're doing that now. There we go. Some dirt. But he's promised not to splash too much because the car is actually pretty clean.
Yep.
And there we are. Well done. So exciting.
Let's see what's this way.
There's nothing that way. It's a place to turn around. Now, this is where I say, please don't go into some place where you don't know if there's rebar or something else sticking out. We really don't know what this place is about.
Such a party pooper. We haven't done any off-roading yet, Pops.
We will, don't worry.
Aside from going pee behind that one tree. But that doesn't really count.
Well, those are big piles of rubble over there. And now, of course, by the way, it's around 8 p.m. and we just got into Iowa.
The sun is still up.
Yeah, very much in front of us. And there we go. I'm asking you, please, don't get the car too deep.
I'm not getting anything. Look for yourself, Pops. This gets nice and clean. Do worry too much.